If you've ever noticed, throughout your life, there's a constant emphasis on keeping your shoulders straight, right?
Yeah, that's right. You're always told keep them stretched out, don't stoop.
And they naturally stoop.
Yeah, that's because our shoulder muscles are never strong enough. Yeah, and especially women, they tend to have weaker pectoral muscles, and these muscles which support you, your biceps and triceps, they all tend to be a little underdeveloped because we don't use them in daily life. So it's very important to have strong shoulders, to have a good posture, you know, to hold
You
yourself.
probably just feel more confident when you keep your shoulders straight.
Yeah,
Which is why probably soldiers are always asked to keep your shoulders straight, for
Yeah,
instance.
that's right. I think it's also to do with shouldering responsibility. That's how the term has come, shouldering responsibility, because a lot of our responsibilities weigh on our shoulders.
Right.
You know, we carry the load on our shoulders. So let's start off with some postures to strengthen the shoulders. We'll start with a moving dynamic posture called Shashank Bhujangasana. It's one of my favorites because not only does it work on the shoulder, it also works on your whole spine. So it's really amazing, and it will give us a warmed up condition of these muscles, so we can do the holding postures after that.
Okay.
So let's start. It's a very beautiful set. Get onto your knees like this. Sit in Vajrasana and place your hands here like stretched out. And now your chin is going to drag on the ground till the last point. Your hands from now remain stuck here.
Okay.
So your chin goes like this, and then you come up. Right? So you're just going to repeat this about 4 or 5 times. Go back again. And remember not to come up. Somewhere here you're tempted to come up, but keep going down. And then come up. Can you feel it on your arms? Yeah? It's wonderful. And if you do this about 10 to 15 or maybe even 20, depending on your fitness level, you'll find that your shoulder muscles and your pectoral muscles and the whole thing gets toned.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, it certainly does look much easier. In fact, all the postures do look very easy in the hands of an expert. So, but you have to just keep working on it and you'll get there. Let's do a posture now for strengthening, in which you have to hold the posture for some time.
Okay, so the dynamic and then the static posture.
Yeah, it's nice to go in that order because the muscle is warm now.
Right.
And we can hold it.
It's important to warm up before we do an asana, a holding
Yes.
asana for the shoulder, right?
Yeah.
You don't
In
want
fact,
to get...
any of the postures we show you should always be done after a warm-up, because if you stretch a muscle and hold it too tight, it's going to get injured. So let's do an asana called Setu Asana, in which you sit like this, place your hands facing backwards like this, and raise up your body till your toes touch. And slowly come back.
So your shoulders are taking the entire load of your body then?
Quite right. And so the load is different because you're standing like this.
Right.
So there's more load on this muscle, on the tricep rather than on the bicep. So now what we're going to do is yet another posture in which you're just going to hold the posture.
Okay.
So you have to get onto your fours. Keep your hands like this. Make sure you're not tilting this way or this way. Your hand is directly under your shoulder.
Right.
And then you raise up one leg as high as you can. Then bend down. And bring your chin almost 1 inch above the ground, Aditi. No support from the chin is allowed. So this is how the strength will happen in the shoulders. You can come back.